Alright, man, check it out. What do we got here? 1971 Pontiac Lemans 2-door. What do you think this one will have in her? Maybe a posi? Maybe a built motor? Good interior? I don't know. Or as one guy said it, a ton of rust. Now this one isn't here because of rust, man. No, somebody's trying to fix this car. And from the doors back, she's not that bad a shape, actually. Yeah, she got a little, somebody did some kind of not so good body work here. Yeah, rust got behind there. Took a hit there. Ooh, look at that hood scoop. It wasn't that long ago she was on the road. See that VIN? Get that tag. And that's why she's here. Yeah. See that? A little ding right here. This little area right up in here. Yeah. Say she probably took on maybe a light pole or something. Oh, this whole front end is gone. I was hoping it had disc brakes. Maybe the previous owner hoped that too. Probably when he locked them up. KYBs. T3. It's one. It's two. Three of them. Yeah, manual drums. It's a kind of a bare bones car, man. Now, no AC in Texas. Come on, check it out, man. Check out the. I don't know which engine that is. I don't know if it's been changed. I didn't run the numbers on it or whatnot. 350 probably. It's a bare bones unless they change it out. Maybe 400. 455, I don't know. But she's got an Edelbrock intake. I don't know if that's just the regular Performer or Performer RPM. I can't see from this. And the hood's all messed up. The hinges are gone. Can't hardly lift it up. Got nice valve covers. Edelbrock valve covers. Should I get them? Should I get the intake? This thing's been sitting in the water, man. Water's been getting on it, so I don't know how good that engine is. This is a good radiator. Northern, I got one of these in my Monte Carlo. Well, this one ain't a good radiator no more anyways. Yeah. Yep. Pontiacs. Also gonna take a look at the trunk real quick. I had to set that on there because I didn't want to stay up. This deck lid's in nice shape, and I didn't want to close it because I don't got a key for it. So in here, there's a brand new felts. The windows, brand new felts. Underneath, not too bad, man. Not too bad. It's a little crusty there, but this floor, this trunk floor, pretty solid. Pretty solid, man. I don't know about in that corner over there, though. Yeah. But how's this? Oh, I sure hope this video comes out good, because I tried to do it on my other phone and it freaking died. So it's gonna be one of the other videos. And I had to break the lens cover on it because it shattered on this phone. waiting on a new one. But yeah, that back bumper still looks good. Like I said, from the doors back, man, look at the channel on this. Yeah, no rust on that channel. Tail lights are usable, you know, for a driver, I guess. Underneath, I tried to spin that rear. Definitely not positive traction, that's for sure. Yep. That solid roof, no hail damage, all the glass is good. Yep. Even the windshield made it out alive, man. Nice. Like I said, you replace those fenders, that hood, core support, probably those front horns on that frame, or just replace the whole frame. Heck yeah. Solid car. These doors, these rubbers are still good. Heck yeah. It's a solid door, man. Look at that door panel. It is a shame that only this one is good. That one got worn out, obviously by resting shoulder on that. Your arm, I mean. War, greatest hits. Lowrider, right? Should have lowrider in there, right? Is that low war? Yeah, lowrider. Lowrider. I found this. That sticker. I found two of them actually. They got my home with me. Dash is cracked. These sun visors are usable. There is no headliner. It's got bitched up right there, so she's not locking. Back seat. They recover these. I think they recovered it. What did Vice Grip Garage say? 50 years of bad choices. That car he did, I don't know if that was 50 years it had been on the road. This one was recently on the road. This is clean. You can smell the bad choices. Yeah. How's that? Yeah. Look at all that change, man. Look at all that change. Look at that door. Bam. I could tell you, man. Look at that. That's a nice door. That is a nice door. Yeah, right there. That's this right here going on probably. This door is also, I think, in good shape. Heck yeah, man. Like I said, from here back, good car. Let me have a seat real quick. Got the tack there. Sunpro. I got one of those. Like I said, an on-air car in Texas. What were they, crazy? Oh my God, it's freaking out as Bojangles. Steering wheel looks alright. What's this? Huh. I take it. I bet that knee hit that right there when they hit that. That was causing the accident. Bam! Wiper. Lights. Yeah. Cool deal. I like the back here. I like that. Yeah. Hey, I'm talking. Solid door. Take a quick look underneath. Look at them floorboards, man. Look at that. Damn. my drive shaft's messed up. But look at them floorboards, man. They rival my 66 Buick. They're clean. Hell yeah. That is a shame. Damn shame, I tell you. Wow. I'm gonna get that. Yeah. I think that's it. I think that's gonna do her. What do you guys think? It's a shame. I'd have bought this car a few $100. Look for all the front end stuff. Had me a decent car afterwards, man. I'd have me a decent car afterwards. Look at that. Shame, shame, shame. Well, on to the next one. See if I got enough memory to do that old Ford 100 Ranger. Check out the 3rd gen and the square body. Oh, square body. Oh, the Caddy. I think that's 73 or something like that. I had a bunch of square bodies in here. I've done videos in this yard before with square bodies. It had some nice wheels too. I was gonna say, yeah, it had some real nice wheels. I saw when it came in about a month ago or something like that. It had some nice wheels. They ganked those wheels though. Anything else? Anything else I'm missing here? I don't think so, right? I think that about covers this car. So another one bites the dust, man. Shame on this one. Yeah, real quick, man. Even if I didn't take them, the curiosity got the best of me. I just wanted to see, maybe, you know, had some roller rockers or something. Last one of these Pontiacs that I got. I actually took the short block because it was built up. It did have roller rockers on it. Maybe I'll put a link of the video or maybe in the description to that car that had all those goodies on it. But yeah, I lucked out, man. It broke the water pump, but I don't think she's cracked here. I hope not, anyways. So yeah, because this got all bent up. Anyways, let me see if I can get this thing off. All right, man. And one last shot here real quick, man, just to see how clean this thing was. Yeah. I think it had been rebuilt not too long before, you know. Actually took that damage all right here though. Wish I could tell what it was, but I can't see those numbers down there or anything, so I might take that. I might take the valve covers. I don't know. I'm taking the valley pan and the intake, and I'll take these felts. They're brand new. And this old Sun right here, Super Tech 2. You see, this is a good one. It's made in Japan. I mean, better than the junk they got today. So that's it, man. All right, on to the next one.